Welcome to the Zego Utility demo. With Zego Utility, you can automate the entire utility management process from accounts payable to resident billing. Zego Utility helps you proactively manage performance with enhanced portfolio-wide visibility, while saving you countless hours by offloading utility AP and billing tasks. Today, let's start off with resident billing. With Zego Resident Utility Billing, we help you recover utility costs and calculate resident charges based on your property's unique needs via a ratio utility billing system, otherwise known as RUBS, or using submeters. Whether using RUBS or submeters, one of the largest benefits of Zego Utility is the comprehensive statements that residents receive. Statements can include property-specific branding and resident-specific messaging based on their lease date. We integrate with your software to consolidate all property charges, including rent, utilities, pet fees, and more, onto one clearly itemized statement with detailed monthly line item charges and payment options with a focus on digital payments. Zego's unique e-billing enrollment program increases on-time payments, resident satisfaction, and conservation. Residents with email addresses are automatically enrolled in e-bills. For those without emails on file, a simple URL and QR code on the statement encourages self-enrollment. For Zego Pay clients, your residents can also view itemized statements from their app and click to make a one-time payment or set up flexible auto payments, so balances for rent, utilities, and all other property charges are always paid in full. As a property manager logging into Zego Utility, you will be greeted by your Insights dashboard. Insights helps you optimize utility performance by benchmarking use and recovery across your portfolio and quickly identifying outliers. The dashboard gives you an at-a-glance view of utility consumption, recovery rates, and more, including trends by portfolio and property. Hover to view information like total billable expenses and the percentages and amounts recovered. Click on each chart to view more details like recovery by property, helping you to benchmark. Using our Utility Recovery Performance Report, you'll see an analysis of your performance with recommendations for improvement. For example, you can see what properties have low recovery based on your portfolio averages and take improvement steps. You can also customize each graph by date, property, or utility, by specific threshold amounts or other data. For instance, to see chargeback percentages by property, click on Property and Chargeback Percentage. Toggle to Data View to see a list of all your properties and their chargeback rates. To make sure you're always informed, you can export, save, and schedule reports to share with you and your team on a regular basis, or when critical thresholds are reached, such as when recovery falls below a set level. To save this report, click on Add Custom Report, and then choose the frequency of sending and recipients to share it with. You can also access all of your dashboard reports under the Reports tab. There are a variety of reports to choose from and flexibility to create your own. For staff, our new painless pre-bill functionality allows property managers to view, filter, and edit their pre-bills via their dashboard prior to statement generation. Using AI and machine learning, Zego Utility automatically analyzes and highlights exceptions on resident pre-bills. For example, a large variance in usage or a $0 utility subtotal. A brief description of the item is also included. You can also see or adjust the filters used for each group of exceptions. Where adjustments are needed, the Quick Edit option lets you update individual resident charges. Zego Utility's intelligent, customizable submeter alerts proactively notify you of high usage or non-performing meters across your properties. You can schedule alerts directly through your Zego Utility dashboard. Select the alert types you need, such as non-incrementing or leaking, then schedule the delivery cadence that fits your needs. Now let's shift focus to expenses. With Zego Utility Expense Management, your teams can automate the utility accounts payable process and gain profitable insights along the way using cutting-edge technology. Your Zego Utility Insights dashboard also provides you with enhanced visibility into your property's utility spend and recoupment metrics, so you can reduce operating expenses and increase revenue. Benchmark property and portfolio performance, identify trends, and pinpoint anomalies with the help of our built-in business intelligence and reporting platform. You can click on each chart to view more details, like vacant unit cost recovery trends across your portfolio. To prevent utility theft, Zego calculates utility costs and generates bills for residents who moved into a unit but did not transfer a utility into their name. The Vacant Unit Recovery Report lets you view these utility allocations and any associated penalty fees across an entire portfolio, or at a property level, allowing you to easily identify patterns and trends in violations, charges, and fees. Staff can also access a detailed breakdown of violations and fees, including the amount the resident owes, the penalty, and the amount of utility charges that the property is responsible for. With Zego Utility, your bills are automatically received, validated, and paid by Zego. You have full visibility to this process and can easily access and view your utility bills by vendor, date, amount paid, and other filter criteria. Bills can be exported to Excel or downloaded. Common area and vacant unit bills can also be filtered and viewed here. Click on View for any individual invoices to see the bill. With Zego Utility, you can automate the entire utility management process from accounts payable to resident billing. Get a demo and see what Zego can do for you today.